Evening viewer, welcome to our Glory Globe TV. It's a breaking news. Yes, the Supreme Court Tuesday termed as unacceptable the submission that Article 370 of the Constitution ceased to operate once the term of the Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir ended in 1957 after drafting the state's constitution. The remark by a five-judge bench headed by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud came when senior advocate Dinesh Dwivedi, appearing for intervener Prem Shankar Jha, argued that nothing of Article 370, which accorded special status to the erstwhile state, survived once the Constitution of J&K was enacted on January 26, 1957 and the term of this state's Constituent Assembly ended. Jha, who has challenged the August 5, 2019 decision of the Centre to abrogate Article 370, raised the legal question about whether Article 370 ceased to operate or exist after the enactment of the Constitution of J&K and the dissolution of the Constituent Assembly. The late bench to raise queries on the legality of the submissions. The bench, also comprising Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, Sanjeev Khanna, B.R. Gabai and Surjo Kant, told Dwivedi that the court has to look at the Indian Constituent Assembly debates and the intent of the makers of the Indian Constitution in a manner in which the Article 370 was framed. I am arguing somewhat differently from what my friends have argued. They want some part of Article 370 to survive. My argument is that nothing survives. All the powers conferred under Article 370 I would so cease to operate once the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir was enacted, Dwivedi said. The CJI said the consequence of the argument will be that the Constitution of India and its application to Jammu and Kashmir would stand frozen as of January 26, 1957. Thereof, no further development in Indian constitutional law can at all apply, according to you, to the state of Jammu and Kashmir after 1957. How can that be acceptable, he said. The bench told Dwivedi, you are asking us to read what is not there in Article 370. Your submission is that it will be frozen after the Constituent Assembly of J&K frames the Constitution, but that does not appear to be following. We have to look at the Constituent Assembly debates in a manner in which Article 370 was framed. Dwivedi said, when the article was framed, Jammu and Kashmir was in turmoil and the only legal entity was the state government, and therefore the provision said there should be consultation and concurrences on the matters related to union and concurrent list and those which do not fall under the instrument of accession. Behind the report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, India.